What up, people? Alex here with another video today. iPhone X repair. Screen is broken, LCD is broken. Start with the bottom two screws. Get something sharp. Don't push it very deep, just enough to gently lift it. Sometimes it's hard to be gentle with it. So what you do is I'll leave it here so everybody can see it. It makes it a little bit harder to leave it here for me, but I just want to show you it's still very easy. When you open it, you just open it like a book. The screen is broken. It's better to unplug it first. First, remove all the screws. I like to put the screws in order. I like to give a number. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Example. It just sticks in your head a lot better. Now unplug the battery first. Then unplug this part. I like to show better if I could, but as you can see, there's some kind of gooey. Slowly. Now unplug the connectors. The two that is. Done with removal. Before we do anything else, let me go ahead and open 3 screws. That's holding the speaker, ear speaker, and ear microphone. Somehow it have, I think, extra microphone over there for video recording. As you can see, what I found out the most of the time, I just remove the plastic. It comes off a lot easier when the screen is not original. When the screen is original, you just have to take out the whole thing. And the reason I want to do that is just to show you guys. It's okay to use this while you're doing it if you have to. Well, we're done with the broken screen. Now we go with the new screen. Kind of fits in, makes my job a lot easier. Now look for the 3 screws that we removed. I'm doing this while standing up, but let me sit down now to make it a little bit easier. But I just want to show you guys a better, clear view of it. Don't get nervous. These are just screws. Remove this. Get your iPhone X. Now go ahead and start with the first connector. Don't make sure the battery's still unplugged. Now go with the second. Third. Last. Then after this, But now let's just put back the way it was. Now what I like to do is always redo it. Not just those three, more of it, just in case you haven't plugged anything. Now, last but not least, the battery connector, and we're done. Put this back on top of it. Don't keep pulling this. I'm doing this a lot slower because I'm explaining and talking at the same time while doing this. Once you're done, fold it like a book. Somehow the bottom part is sticking. It's okay. The sides, I mean, are sticky a little bit. But insert the top first. Then go to the bottom. Then go from now let's I will remove the glue in a little bit, just a little bit of glue, but I want to turn it on to make sure it works first at least. Okay, it works. And I'll show you guys the touch also works, because when it turns on, 99% of the time everything is working. Not 99, probably 90% or 95%. Once in a while we have an issue, the touch doesn't work, but I'll be able to tell as soon as the screen turns on. Okay, at the beginning it didn't work. For some reason I was scared, but give it a second or two. Everything works. Nothing to worry about. Thank you, and please subscribe. Oh, you have to hold both of it, turn it off. But I don't want to turn it off right now. I want to cancel it and just get. That's it. Thank you. Subscribe.